Engage the trade and triple your close ratio. This is what a group in sunny Southern California, this is their study, it's not mine, it was done by Simpson Chevrolet. And it's pretty accurate though from the groups that study it. If you engage the trade-in, if you get the customer to trade the vehicle in, they're 3 times more likely to make a deal. Did the lady on the phone ask me what I was driving now? No. You could set an appointment based on an appraisal. You could make a car deal based on an appraisal. Get crazy excited about people's cars. What are you driving now, Jarvis?
Dodge Charger.
Oh, cool. Here's your Charger.
2023.
Man, that's a nice vehicle. We love Chargers. What are you going to do with your Charger?
Drive it.
Drive it. Well, if you buy the 2025, what are you going to do with your Charger?
Sell it.
Awesome. We need to buy Chargers. I love your Charger. Get crazy excited about people's cars. They're more likely to do something.